Hi everyone, today I will show you how good is our flow barrier. Look at these water tanks. They've been testing our flow barrier for over 10 years. Both tanks are rusted, scratched, and worn out. But look at our DEFE flow barriers, both still smooth, no rust, no deformation. Check the seams on both, no water leaks at all. We've kept the water in both tanks for a decade, and they still hold tight. This is a new DEFE flow barrier. See? No different from the two tested for 10 years. A decade of constant water pressure on both. Cheaper barriers will leak or rust in 1 year. DEFE's quality isn't just for show, it's double proven over time. Flood protection needs durability. DEFE tested for a decade, trusted for life. Visit our website or DM us to get more flood barrier details. Comment DEFE for a free sample guide.